Polygon Matic at the time of this recording is rejecting at a key area of resistance above the 0.385 and also holding above a key area of support above the 0.3671. And on today's video I will be discussing the two possible scenarios that can play out in the next coming hours, and also discuss the Polygon Matic to the POL migration. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And from this article you can see that finally the wait is over and Matic has been upgraded to the POL across the Polygon network. And that means that every transaction that takes place on the Polygon POS starting after this migration will use POL as the native gas token. And that is the reason as to why you can see that once you search for Matic on TradingView, you can't find the token anymore, and what you can find now is the POL token, and this is what we will be using for our charting purposes. And I have said to you that we are rejecting at a key area of resistance above the 0.385 but holding above support on the 0.36, and there's a chance that in the next coming hours, in case we continue seeing this breakdown move, we are going to see a bit of a breakdown move to support on the 0.3672, and as long as that key area of support continues to hold, there's a chance that we can continue seeing higher prices, manage to break above resistance on the 0.385, flipping it back into support, maybe with a retest. And once that plays out, I will continue expecting higher prices, having the $0.4 as my next target area. And once that plays out, then the POL chart will be able to give us its first all-time high after the launch of the POL token. And then from there we can continue expecting even higher prices. I can also say that we have seen a breakout out of this channel that we had been trading to the upper side in a move that gave us a breakout and also a retest. And there is a high chance that we can continue seeing this bullish momentum, breaking through significant key areas of resistances and significant highs in a move that can easily get us back above the $0.45 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that in case we continue seeing maybe some bearish sentiment in the market, we can see a breakdown move to support on the 0.3672. And if by any chance we lose that key area of support, then I will be expecting POL to continue trading within this channel that I have here on the charts, where we can easily see a breakdown move to the lower side of the channel in a move that can easily get us below the $0.35 in the next coming hours. Then from that point we can try and see whether we are going to see another bounce to the upper side of the channel and maybe manage to break above other areas of resistances. And if we manage to break to the lower side of this channel to the lower side, then that will be suggesting a more bearish movement in a move that can easily get us back below the $0.32 in the next coming hours or maybe days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the POL token. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.